might not be much of a mech builder, but I am a Lego City builder. So today, in this episode of Mini Build Monday, I am super excited to be checking out this Lego City Space Mech. This one's technically called the Space Science Mech. It is set number 30694. It is ages 6+ and has 49 different Lego pieces here, including the actual Space Science Mech, as well as a Lego minifigure. Alright, look at all the cool pieces here. Obviously instructions to build the mech. All of the spaceman parts. I love the color of the green here. This is going to look really cool. Ooh, and this purple color is really neat. I want this in a 2x4 brick. That would be awesome. Not gonna lie, this mech actually looked a little bit more menacing than I thought it would. This was a fun little build. So first off, I'll just remove the minifigure right here because it actually just sits on there, which is really cool. Taking a look at the minifigure first, I really like the space ones, how they look. I think it has so much detailing on it. Considering it is like a city minifigure, it doesn't have to go this in depth, but it's really cool. I think that might be a newer headpiece. I don't remember seeing that in many other city sets in the past, but you guys can see here the spacesuit is really awesome. We've got like the classic space logo up there. I love the bright green arms here on the side. I think that looks really cool, and they love the fact that it matches the helmet right here as well. It's got the dark blue accents as well, including the dark blue hands, and then on the back here you can see there are even more detailings as well, which is really neat. It continues around from the front, and like I mentioned, it does come on the mech right here. So how that actually works is there are two studs right here at the back where the minifigure can just kind of attach onto right here, and then we've got this book piece, which is actually a printed piece right here. It looks like a little control screen or a control panel. This actually just folds up, and I would assume this is how the mech actually, is driven around by the figure. So we do have obviously the two arms on each side that are completely posable. You can move them kind of side to side, and you even can open and close the hands right here, which is really cool. You can do the exact same on both, and then we've also got the feet here as well that again do the exact same thing. You can kind of pose them however you want. You can have it walking, you can have it running, you can have the legs up and down. Like literally there is so much flexibility here. They managed to fit a lot of detail into just such a tiny model. On the back here it's really cool because we do have a battery pack as well, which I love the color of this purple. I think that is really epic. And then we've also got a printed battery logo on the top here, which I just think is really cool. The color scheme is neat. You guys can see it uses lots of whites, lots of grays, and some sand blue here as well, and the orange accent colors, which I just think complements and contrast the minifigure up here very nicely. Overall, a really cool set, one of my very first mechs ever in the LEGO collection, and I'm excited to be adding this to my LEGO City space shelf.